I know that saved me a few times before. Like,
Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
oh, what did you do?
I just fell in the lava with
Oh.
everything.
Oh.
Just tell me how to.
Right, okay, and we're back with Minecraft episode 2. So, what have we done since last time? So last,
Coloured in some sheep.
oh yeah, we've got a rainbow sheep farm.
Can't colour in that sheep.
A load more
What's that?
cows. And a load more ducks. Just animals.
Right, very much.
Our wheat's getting on a lot better. Grant, you've started to colour in the
Okay.
floor
I did that.
with some wool. Oh, and we found some pumpkins and a fish.
And the fish, tropical fish.
So, hopefully this time we will be able to find a village or something exciting.
Aye, that would be handy.
And Grant, the pigs have escaped. They're not there anymore.
We never got pigs.
I thought you got them on the lead.
No, I couldn't get the baby one, remember?
Oh, okay.
That was all I found was a baby one.
Right, I'm away down to my cave to mine a little bit. Then we
Tell you
think
what, it's not
sorry.
easy using this crafting like table and that to work out what's what.
No. I'd prefer just making it like you had to know the things rather than it telling you.
Aye.
Let's explore this cave a little bit.
Aye, no, it's annoying, like. But I find it so weird the way it works and that too, though. I just don't understand it.
I got lapis, whatever lapis is good for. No lapis is, yeah.
I don't know what's good for though. Enchanting maybe?
Oh yeah, I think it is, isn't it? You need to have it for your enchanting levels.
Very possibly. Probably, isn't it?
Oh, I forget you need iron for like
Everything.
rails and stuff like that.
Ah, it's a right pain, isn't it?
I like making train tracks, so it's fun.
Ah, yeah, I like them too. That's what I used to do to like villages. And then
Yeah,
just
when you
train
find
track
one,
back and forth.
yeah. And you just, oh, diamond! I found more diamond!
Nice.
I can't remember where the other few blocks were though, so.
Oh wow.
I know they're somewhere in this cave.
Somewhere.
Oh yeah, and since last time I've basically just been down this cave like Smeagol, just running about. Oh, there's a diamond, yes. That's right, I mined diamond about 5 minutes ago, and it's just giving me an achievement for it now.
It's weird, isn't it, how like delayed they are.
Oh, more diamond, yes, come on.
Nice. And build diamond hats for each other now.
Oh dear, I think some of it just fell into lava.
Oh no.
Oh, that was a close one.
No.
I broke a block of it, right, and oh, the lava nearly came in and got me.
Oh. At least the lava's still moving. You have a wee bit of time to react. Like,
Yeah, no, that's what I'm grateful for.
I know that saved me a few times before. Like,
Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
oh, what did you do?
I just fell in the lava with everything.
Oh. You know what's mental?
Right, away back down I go.
Easy.
Okay, are we going for a wee exploration?
Yes.
I want to put on. I want to put on a shield, not a shield. Oh, I can't. I got enough. Okay. What direction haven't we been in then? That
This
way.
way.
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
Hopefully we find something this time.
Hopefully there's shit ton of animals to slaughter on the way there.
Oh yeah.
Don't know how
I'm not
much you
good
like
with my
that.
hoe.
We should have made some boats actually. Oh, oh, oh. Will he drop the trident? No, he never.
No, there's another one though.
Oh, a donkey! Donkey! Right, run, run, run away, donkey. Run away before I can't get you. Yes.
That was. Oh my god, there's two of them.
Mushroom. Except these are mushrooms you can make for mushroom soup.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, Grant.
Oh no. Two of those zombie people got me.
I'll stay here so that you can get your stuff back.
Oh, it would be really nice if we found a thing.
A village, yeah, 'cause we still didn't not get any potatoes or carrots or...
3 hours later.
Oh, a village, yes!
What
This
were you doing
direction.
that?
One I'm running in. You see it?
Oh yes.
What?
You get this
Oh,
red. What's
are they
this red?
beetroots? Oh, you can... I'm gonna get the
Yeah.
composter. I don't even know what a composter's for again, but...
What was that?
A composter? Pretty sure.
Oh. Oh, they've got an iron golem.
Don't kill him. Don't hit him. Don't hit him. Oh, oh, potatoes, books, apples, bread. I like myself some potatoes and some books, which are good for enchanting. He's destroying our buildings.
Yeah, mossy cobblestone.
Why you still? We can easily get cobblestone.
No, mossy cobblestone.
Oh, okay. A yellow bed. Oh, it's a cat. Yeah. Golden nuggets. I'm just stealing everything. I'm a thief. I'm good
I
at
don't
it.
have a blacksmith in this dump.
Why you want a blacksmith?
They don't have good crap there normally.
I'm finding some good stuff. Well, mainly food. I'm disappointed there was no carrots.
No, there was. I got them.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Yes, we have successfully raided a village. Which I don't know if that's to be proud of or not.
I'm proud of that. I'm very proud.
How'd you get a cat again?
Usually a sword works.
No, Grant.
3:28 a.m.
Are you it?
Sleep.
Yeah.
I was sleep.
Okay. You keep standing at the front of my bed. You keep standing on me. Okay, what direction do we need to go in, Grant?
What way are we going?
Back or not? Or do you want to explore a little bit more?
I kind of want to explore more. Oh, look, look.
What?
Over this way.
Oh, it's a bigger one. This is one where you can have like raids and stuff.
Yeah.
You know what a raid is?
No.
Like where these guys come and the pillagers come and attack you. You like survive the raid, and if you do it, you're like your trading goes down if you help the villagers.
Oh.
Oh, the brewing station.
Oh my god. This is
What?
the most messed up area ever.
Hi.
It's just like there's like a big hole in the ground.
Grant, it's time to get up. Did you hear that?
What?
Did you hear that? No.
What was it?
Me ringing a bell.
What? Where's the?
Where are you?
Oh, I dug up a bell.
Where? Oh, Grant, look, it's hay bales here.
I just got some.
Oh, okay. I'm taking
There's like
all
a
of
big,
them.
there's like a big hole in the ground here. It's really weird. There's also a mob spawner. I just
Where?
found.
Carrots.
Uh,
Yes. Carrots.
there's so much crap here.
I'll leave you some carrots, villagers. Alex, I'm a nice wee guy, so I'll leave you some. We've got a well good wee system going on here. Where's this mob spawner, Grant?
Now what do you do with this thing?
No, oh, it's pumpkin seeds. Yes, more pumpkin seeds.
So I just
Uh,
break this.
Yeah, and that stops them spawning.
Ooh.
Oh, you're not take. Ah, it's rotten flesh. Oh, okay, I don't want
Ah,
that.
Did you clean out the other houses?
Yeah. Right, where are you? Let's disappear.
Yeah.
Back to our safe haven.
Where are we going?
Back to our hole in the ground.
So we want to go this way. Apparently. I'm scared.
Oh god, look at that skeleton with the golden thing on it. You're scared. I'm on foot. I can't go anywhere.
I'm scared for my horse's life. I've found an animal I now care about. Oh, there's lights over here.
Where? Grant, you're miles ahead of me. I have no idea where I'm going. I can't even see you on the map, on the screen. I've got you now.
What the hell? Why can't I ride the horse in the water?
Because,
Did it just die? Like, what the hell?
no, it's right there.
I can't get on it though.
I know, because it's in the water.
Oh. What the
Right,
fuck?
okay, we need to go. What way is it? This way.
Aye. Does that mean I don't get to keep my horsey?
You can if you want. He's back there.
But I can't get out the water though.
Right.
Stupid animal. Oh crap, where is it? Oh yes, this way. Back at our cozy hellhole. I walk inside and every time I just expect to explode. From something getting inside.
Okay. Chucking all this stuff in the. Okay, and that's us.
Nice.
Chucking all this stuff in the furnace so we have food for next time. Can you bake bread? No, you can't.
No.
Oh, we've got a lot of carrots. More pumpkin seeds. Well, I would say that was a success.
Yeah, that was pretty good. Like,
We need a room for growing mushrooms. Well, let's just call it mushroom den.
sounds good to me.